Uba Ronnie Lingdo Ubalong MLA ka Mylliem constituency pa Noyalam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ula pensyai nya kelai ya ka All India Trinamool Congress hakabaya day bat ka jingbam ya penbej ban penyang kertong haki arteli ke Lok Sabha seat hakane ka jila Meghalaya na ka benta banya kun haka election Lok Sabha ka ban Salong Shen Habaya day bat kane habaya kren Shakilat Pathai Kubor ba Ronnie ula Jingkynthoh Tyngeh ya ka Trinamool Congress hadin ba kala dep ban penbenai ki kertong ban penyekun ha ki sao pho ar tele ki seat ha ka jila West Bengal klem day slok lang bat ka seng Congress watla ki ne ki ar tele ki seng sain perthei ki day ki baya trelang ha ka liang persha ha Lok Sabha bat ki bala thawru ya ka kenhun India block banyakun persha ya ka BJP ha ka election Lok Sabha mentau
You see, compared to West Bengal, which has about 42 seats, Lok Sabha seats, Meghalaya has only 2 seats. So, if they say that, we went ahead and declare in Meghalaya, that's why TMC is not willing to work with us. Why don't they declare that they've come to an agreement, seat sharing in West Bengal? You see, now they don't want to work with the Congress. So we'd like to question TMC leaders. Have you got some understanding with the BJP? Is there a secret understanding between the TMC and the BJP? To prevent consolidation of votes, people who would like to see a secular democratic country like India defeat BJP, which is communal, which is trying to polarize the people on, so many issues. Now let us put that question. Why doesn't TMC, who is part of the India bloc, come to an understanding and come to a seat sharing in West Bengal? If they had done that in West Bengal, perhaps we could have done it in Meghalaya too. Or is there some understanding between the BJP and TMC so that, votes get divided, opposition votes get divided and benefits the BJP? How does it benefit the TMC by not working with the India bloc, with the Congress? Or is it to benefit the BJP? To ensure that, apparently to appear, TMC and BJP do not have any understanding. But facts state otherwise. Okay, because now the BJP understands very clearly West Bengal has a sizable number of minority votes. So if they come together, all the minority votes will get consolidated in the parties belonging to the India bloc. So there is much more, hidden behind all this. Just to blame Meghalaya, which has only 2 seats, and West Bengal has 42 seats. If 2 seats are so important to TMC and the 42 seats are not important, I think speaks volumes of their double standards.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center